Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, lived a friendly porcupine named Korg. Korg was unlike any other porcupine, for he had a heart as warm as the sun and a spirit full of curiosity. One sunny day, Korg decided to explore the forest, seeking new adventures. He packed a small bag with his favorite treats, acorns and berries, and set off on his journey. As he wandered deeper into the forest, Korg came across a beautiful meadow filled with colorful flowers. He had never seen anything like it before. Korg was so amazed that he couldn't help but roll around in the soft grass, enjoying the flowers' sweet scent. Suddenly, a butterfly landed on Korg's nose. It was a rare, shimmering blue butterfly that Korg had only heard about in stories. Korg was thrilled and gently picked up the butterfly, admiring its delicate wings. The butterfly, named Bella, thanked Korg for his kindness and asked if he would like to join her on an adventure to find the hidden rainbow waterfall. Korg, with a twinkle in his eyes, eagerly agreed. Together, Korg and Bella journeyed through the forest, over hills, and across rivers. They met many new friends along the way, a chatty squirrel, a wise old owl, and even a shy deer named Daisy. Finally, they arrived at the rainbow waterfall. It was more breathtaking than Korg could have ever imagined, with rainbow-colored water cascading down from the sky. Korg and his new friends splashed and played in the water, laughing and enjoying each other's company. As the sun began to set, Korg knew it was time to return home. Bella, Daisy, and the others promised to visit soon. Korg felt a sense of gratitude for the adventure and made a vow to always be open to new experiences, just like the bright and beautiful butterfly that started it all. Back in his cozy burrow, Korg lay down to sleep, dreaming of the next adventure that awaited him in the magical forest. And so, Korg the porcupine continued his life, spreading kindness and curiosity wherever he went. The end.